Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade macaroni salad. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of elbow macaroni, which is roughly 2 cups dry. We'll also prepare a delicious, creamy dressing that brings all the flavors together. This method is straightforward, ensuring a perfect salad every time, ideal for picnics or a quick side dish. To start, cook 8 ounces of elbow macaroni in salted water until it's al dente, then drain and rinse with cold water to stop the cooking. While the pasta cools, finely chop about 1/4 cup each of celery and red onion. For the dressing, combine 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of salt and pepper in a bowl. Once your macaroni is cool, transfer it to a large mixing bowl. Add the chopped celery and red onion. Now, pour your creamy dressing over the pasta and vegetables. Gently fold everything together until all the macaroni is evenly coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the salad for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving, give your macaroni salad a good stir and taste it. You might want to add a little more salt, pepper, or even a splash of vinegar to brighten the flavors. Garnish with some fresh chopped parsley for a pop of color and extra freshness. This salad is perfect for any gathering. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.